Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again with another video. As you can tell, we have the setup. I have my monitor now, my laptop, my mic, everything. We good. And I just spent like 3 hours. Well, okay, not even 3 hours fully, but like on and off trying to figure out how to fix this mic because it's connected and it was moving, but it wasn't recording the audio. So it turns out, uh, the playback audio, it was connected to the mic instead of the speaker, the default, so I couldn't hear myself. But it's all good. It's working now, right? So I'm just gonna go over a weekly recap of what happened during the week and the trades that I took and the trades I didn't take and why I didn't take them and stuff like that, things of that nature. So let's get into it. First, let me open. Okay, silver right here, gold on here. So where are we gonna start at? We are going to start on Monday. So, back here. Like here. Cool. So I come to the market on Monday, and obviously we're bearish. So I was looking to sell. Realistically, I was looking to sell because we're on the downtrend. And weekly, we're still bullish on the weekly on gold, but daily we're bearish, and FR we're also bearish. Nah, wait. Yeah, we're bearish. So I was looking to sell overall. But silver, let's see, was popping. Silver, I was looking to sell as well. There's a weekly and a daily are bearish. Yeah, so I was looking to sell. So then I come down to a lower time frame. Well, first let's go on gold first. So I come down to a lower time frame. Blah blah blah. You gotta wait till 5:30. Cool. I see a beautiful order block on the 30-minute. I was waiting for the pullback to it. Obviously the pullback never happened, and then made another order block. Didn't even pull back to this one either. Look at that. Literally didn't pull back to it, and didn't even give my morning star. So no trade, and as you can tell, EMA rejection, and sorry. Some brisk tea, yeah. Anyways, I literally played out and just kept going, broke past this area, and then kept pushing. But this is the next day. Now, here's what happened on silver. There was a beautiful order block. Price broke above, so I'm like, okay, I'm waiting for the retest. It did come back and retest, and it touched down the 15-minute, and it gave me like a strong bullish engulfing bell on the 30-minute. It gave me a morning star pattern. Now I wanted to take this trade, but news is coming out, and if you watched the previous video when I explained, it closed like this. Why? Look at this area right here. Boom. Could have been rejected. This. Where's the thing at? All right. Boom. All right. So it gave me a rejection candle like that because I told you I was looking to sell overall, but gold is pushing up. Silver, I'm looks like it's gonna push up too, but I'm looking to sell. Remember on silver, so it's rejecting from this area, and it closed like this. Now, if the candlestick has closed more higher, then I would have taken this trade, but it didn't. On 30-minute, it did close like this, and the next candlestick like would push all the way up, came down, and then closed up eventually. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. And I just didn't take this trade. I just didn't feel comfortable taking this trade. And as you know, there's a beautiful setup. Let me show you that EMA was rejection as well. Oh man, beautiful trade, order block. And I didn't take it. It is what it is, right? Part of the market. I just wasn't comfortable with the risk, and boom, we ended up not taking that trade, and we missed on a good opportunity. So I come to the market the next day, and honestly, I shouldn't have taken a trade this day. I really shouldn't, because market is pushing up, but it's bearish overall. So I was just confused. Like, what am I trying to take? Am I trying to buy? Am I trying to sell? So, I was messing around, blah, blah, blah. This was when I was going to go take my flight because I was leaving my vacation. And price pullback. But look at this. Look at this. Oh, morning star pattern. No evening star pattern. I mean, morning star pattern. For me to take this buy, there was literally nothing. This is not a morning star pattern on a 30-minute. This is not a morning star pattern on a 15-minute. And a 1 hour did not give me a morning star pattern. And guess what? In my mind, I was greedy, and I told myself, I want to make some money. I want to jump in this trade for no reason at all. And that's what I did. I jumped into the trade. And not only did the market tell me I was wrong, right? The market slapped me in the face. Look at this. This is long candle. Market literally just, don't do that again. And I'm gonna insert this joke right here. Look.
There's no way out of this one. You're done.
I'm gonna insert the meme, but it's funny because it's like when you take a trade and you're like, hey, little break even, and I'm gonna close this trade out. I would never do it again. I won't do it again. Just go to break even, and I'll close this trade out. That's literally what the market did to me. Market, literally, if you watch the video, said, no way out of this. And market,
There's no way out of this one. You're done.
it literally not even pushed me or anything. Market slapped me and said, don't ever do that again. So guess what? I'm not breaking my trading plan no more. This is an unnecessary loss that we took because I wanted to be greedy. I wanted to make money. So I learned from my lesson, and it sucked. I wanted to close this trade out, but I was like, you know what? I need to. Hey, I took the risk. I did something I shouldn't have done. I shouldn't have taken this trade. I paid the price, paid the consequences. But I was like, okay, it is what it is. The fact that it's this long candle, like, bro, come on, man. But it is what it is. We lost this trade. I was a little mad for like 20 minutes, but then afterwards I was like, okay, whatever. It is what it is. I broke my trading plan. That's on me. That's nobody else's fault except mine. So I paid the consequences. So we come to the market the next day, blah, blah, blah. I'm still looking to buy on gold, but it gave me an order block right here. Never pulled back to it. Just kept going and going and going and going and going. So we missed out on this trade on gold. Well, we didn't miss out. It didn't give me a setup, so we didn't miss out on nothing. Kept going. Silver was in this weird consolidation area. And if you notice, this right here is an area that we avoided an easy loss from last week. For me to come back to this area and the same loss that I avoided here, I could have avoided here. But no, I ended up being greedy and stuff. But anyways, I come to the market and gold is pushing, so I'm also looking to buy. But I just never pull back. Keep going and going and going. So it is what it is. So we come to the market the next day. I was looking to sell. Price broke below. Waiting for it. It literally pushed up. I thought it was gonna pull back, didn't pull back. Thought it was gonna pull back, didn't pull back. And literally just sold. Bro. Literally it just left. So never pulled back for it. And gold, this is the part where gold and silver didn't really correlate anymore because gold is pushing and pushing and pushing. So I was looking to buy, but silver was selling. So I was like, bro, whatever. It's two different pairs for a reason. So gold just kept pushing up. Did tap eventually, but I think it was like at 11 or something. This was at 8. Yeah. What was I doing? I was at work. But it didn't close near here, or it gave me a morning start, so I wouldn't have taken this trade anyways. But eventually it did. Yeah, 11, 12. There you go. Give a push, and then after that push, it just kept going. Literally just kept going. This happened like through the night too, yeah. Because I remember I was going to bed and I just saw this push. I'm like, bro, what is going on? So then we come to the market on Friday. I'm still looking to buy, but hey, I'm waiting for a good setup. It did give me a strong bullish candle, but this candlestick did this. And guess what? Look, boom. I was gonna take this because it's a beautiful trade, and it's a morning star on a 30-minute. Like, look at that beautiful morning star pattern. All the time frames are bullish, so I'm looking to buy. But this next candlestick, the way it closed, this fat candlestick, I learned from my mistake. Y'all. I learned. So yeah, I learned from that, and we avoided an easy loss. So I didn't take a trade Friday, and that's basically it, really. Same thing with silver. We didn't take a trade Friday. So took one trade this week, took one loss. It is what it is, right? It's a part of the market for the game. But I could have avoided it. I could have saved myself unnecessary stress. Like when I take some trades, I ask myself, is this stress that I want to put myself through? Because when you're in the trade, all you're thinking about is, oh, am I gonna win or am I gonna lose? Like you're nervous, like your heart is beating fast. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. Your heart is beating fast. So I'm like, is this really something I want to deal with? Even when I see a setup at night, I'm like, bro, do I really want to go to bed and be stressed out about this? Bro, I'm gonna be turning my bell. I'm like, oh, I should probably check this trade. Am I winning? Am I losing? Now, when I used to trade at night, that's how I used to feel. So now I'm being more careful and diligent. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm gonna start a new series very soon called Trading Psychology, and basically talk to you about fear, FOMO, greed, all that stuff. Get the psychological things right, because psychology is a big part of the truth. God bless y'all. God keep you safe. And remember, the magic you're looking for is no work you're avoiding. So God bless you and keep going. Trust God and read your Bible.